Have you ever noticed how a slight change in the air makes you long for warmth and comfort? As the days grow shorter and the air turns crisp, there's a natural instinct to bring that warmth indoors. But how do you truly capture the essence of fall without overwhelming your space? Hey everyone, I'm Sophia. There's something about fall that invites a sense of coziness, a longing for a space that feels like a warm embrace after a long day. Today, let's talk about how we can transform our homes into a snug, welcoming haven with simple fall farmhouse decor. Imagine stepping into a room where every detail whispers comfort. A soft throw here, a rustic wooden sign there, and suddenly, the space feels different. More inviting, more you. The secret lies in layering textures, colors, and a bit of nature's bounty. One of the simplest ways to start is by bringing in natural elements. Think about adding pumpkins, pine cones, or even a few branches from the trees outside. It's not just about decoration. It's about bringing the essence of the season indoors, creating a space that mirrors the beauty of fall. the end of the day, fall farmhouse decor isn't just about making your home look good. It's about making it feel good. It's about creating a space that tells a story, your story. A place where every corner whispers comfort, where every piece of decor adds to the warmth and coziness that we all crave during these cooler months. Remember, life like decor is all about the little things. As you decorate your home this fall, think of it as a way to reflect the warmth you want to feel in your life. So if this video brought you a touch of warmth or inspiration, go ahead and tap that like button. And if you're ready to make every season as cozy as this one, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more ideas that will turn your house into a home. As they say, the best time for new beginnings is now. Until next time, stay cozy and keep spreading the warmth.